Ngathi ndingaphosi dibhaje final is inside the engine. This is the down of the inside engine, don't break. This is the place where in the talk say oil the leak before. This side, I did oil the leak before, and this side, see where the thing come break. All this oil now today.